Hi everyone, with the dream of digital and make in India concept, I would like to introduce Airtel IQ, an omni-channel cloud communication platform that helps brands enable voice and SMS communication within their web applications with the help of simple yet highly robust HTTPS-based RESTful APIs. Airtel IQ, which is designed and developed internally, presently offers voice and SMS as the key communication modes. We will pretty soon be launching voice bot, chat bot, video, call center console, speech analytics, and telco grid analytics. We would like to thank our launch partners like Swiggy, Just Dial, Dr. Lal Path Labs, Havels, Urban Company, Trade India, and many such banks who have shown trust on us and have tested our platform at scale. Based on the pain areas shared by most of the brands, IQ is designed on three key pillars: robust, intuitive, and secure. Robust. Airtel IQ offers 99.9% uptime SLA, which not only includes the uptime of its APIs or platform, it also includes the uptime of Airtel Telecom network, which is less than 42 minutes unscheduled downtime in a month. Airtel IQ is co-located with Airtel locations and works on an active or a heartbeat mode. Suppose we offer you the services from Bangalore location and by any chance Bangalore goes down, system will automatically route the calls to Gujarat location. And if Gujarat is also down, other circles are ready to take over. Being one of the biggest telecom operator in the country, Airtel cannot afford to go down, which makes the platform available almost 100% of the time. Airtel IQ is co-located with Airtel locations, which enables IQ to offer lowest possible call setup time or resolution TAT, which cannot be matched by any third-party provider or any in-house setup. With Airtel IQ, you can scale at will. I would like to quote an example. One of our clients scaled from nowhere to more than 1.5 million calls in a span of 5 days without facing a single issue from the platform. Today, Airtel IQ handles multi-million calls in a day without a single issue reported. Intuitive. Airtel IQ offers connectivity over simple HTTPS-based RESTful APIs, which can be integrated with any kind of CRM or platform available across the country, provided the CRM can consume our APIs or share the APIs to us. Individual components of Airtel IQ APIs helps to create any kind of call flow which is technically or legally possible. Airtel IQ is designed such that there is no dependency on any specific telecom operator. That is, your agent or customer can be on any telecom operator as their existing provider. Airtel IQ can initiate the calls and accept calls from any telecom operator. Secure. Many brands that use third-party services approach us with a concern on data security and are doubtful that their data is compromised. Airtel IQ experiences the same level of data security and privacy which is offered by Airtel as a telecom operator, governed by two of the biggest regulatory bodies of India, RBI and DOT. Airtel IQ also experiences the same level of data security which is offered by Airtel to its 340 million plus subscribers across the country. In addition to this, Airtel IQ has its own data encryption and security policies, which acts as an added layer to data security. With this, we would like to welcome you to come and experience our platform and share your feedback. You can register our platform at, and all our APIs can be accessed from. Thank you.